how to fix we're having trouble finding that site on Mozilla Firefox error or Google Chrome. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar. Now search settings. Once you get to settings, click on network and internet. Now you want to head over to advanced network settings. Here you will find the Wi-Fi option. Go ahead and click on disable. After some time, you again want to click on the enable option. Now click on the Wi-Fi icon. Next, you want to enter the password and reconnect. Once it has been reconnected, open Firefox or Chrome and you will find that the error has been fixed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.